So 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Again 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 multiply minus 2 and is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So P means first priority is parentheses, then E means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. So third priority is multiplication and division, M means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is addition and subtraction, right? So here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So 3 minus 5, now multiply 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, right? Now here we have one subtraction, here multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. Minus 5 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 10. So 3 plus 10. So now 3 plus 10 is equal to 13, right? So the correct answer is 13. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.